Paano magsimulang muli nang walang takot? Paano nga ba? Hi guys, welcome back to a Real Talk Hustle for today, day 4 of the year. At this point, you're not excited anymore. Tama ba? You're honest. Starting again is scary, not because you failed, but because you remember the pain. Pero hindi lahat ng takot ay babala. Some fear is just memory. This year, start again slowly. Hindi mo kailangang patunayan ang kahit ano. You don't need to rush healing. You're not late. You're just wiser. 3 practical moves for this day. 1. Start small and steady. Magsimula sa kaya mong panindigan, hindi sa gusto mong ipakita. Okay? 2. Separate fear from intuition. Ihiwalay ang takot na galing sa sugat at ang babala na galing sa wisdom. 3. Anchor the present. Ibalik ang sarili sa ngayon, hindi sa nangyari noon. Tandaan, this year, walk forward gently. You're not broken. You're becoming. I'm Catherine Eucor, and once again, you're watching Real Talk Hustle, where we turn pain into power.